unbox this. Here is the iPad Air. And this is the front of it. It'll say iPad Air. Awesome. I actually got mine in the new sky blue color. They actually comes in silver, space gray, rose gold, green, and sky blue. Crazy unique feature about this, they said this thing only weighs about a pound. Whew, a pound. So let's see. It's a little tab right here to just yank and pull on, and that comes all the way around the packaging. Which is really cool. And all this comes off. Awesome. What I do like about these new packages, the color iPad you got is the color of the box. And we should be able to slide this off. Alright. So once that comes off, iPad inside. Here it is, protected. Here's the back with the camera. Just gonna allow you to pull this off. And look at that. Perfect. And I got mine engraved, so it took an extra week and a half. But on it, I put, always try your best, grandmother. So my grandmother is no longer with us, but I wanted to remember her every time I looked at this. So I actually love this color. And here is the front, looking downright amazing. Woo! Right here, you'll see the Touch ID, which I'll set up. Front camera right here. This thing is amazing. Mine is a 64 gigabyte. These actually come in 64 gigabyte and 256. And then in the box, we are gonna find, move that out the way. This is designed by Apple. Really nice. You're going to find some instructions on your new iPad, which we'll take a look at. But here is the charging block, which you can use for the new iPhone. So if you buy an iPad, you will have the charging block for these new chargers that not everyone might have a charging block for. So charging block, power adapter, but what I'm looking forward to is this new iPad turning on. This thing looks amazing. I've never had an iPad. You can see the bezels going around the edge. It honestly looks like the iPad Pro. This thing is looking amazing. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be using this quite a bit. And it came fully charged. Battery came on 98%. Swipe up. It'll go through the selection process. English, United States, and then you'll set it up. This looks amazing. The colors on this thing, unreal. And then you hook it up to your Wi-Fi. The next thing you know, you'll be good to go. Alright, so I'm almost done with the setting up process. One thing I do like is it's just like the iPhone. You have the choice to set the appearance as light or dark, and it will change that for you, change the background. So depending on how you like it, it has options. And it says welcome to iPad. Get started. So it is just like the iPhone. You can actually transfer over all your messages, everything just like from your iPhone, whatever you're using. I chose not to do that right now so I could set it up to my preference, but this thing looks amazing. It is crystal clear. It's already connected with my AirPods. There's some cool stuff. I like it. Let's see what the camera is looking like. And oh wow, this camera is looking great. Let's see if I can turn it around. I'm gonna take a picture of my setup. Here is the picture I took of the camera I'm using to record this video, and this is crystal clear. Just details, details, details. Yeah, this is very nice. Also, let's see that Touch ID. So let me close it. I'm gonna press the button up here. It's gonna lock. So you can either unlock it right here, and it unlocked. Lock it back. You can turn your iPad, and it makes you register another finger, and it unlocked right there. So awesome thing to have. Has the usual stuff: GarageBand, iMovie, has the internet. Pull that up to whatever you're wanting to watch. Looks amazing. I definitely recommend. Like I said, the engraving on this thing is free. I put always try your best, and that is something my grandmother always told me. So Apple, you definitely tried your best on this thing. This thing, it says a pound. It feels like it. It feels really light. I'm definitely going to pick up a case for it. Apple sells cases for it. I've also seen the OtterBox cases, something to protect it, because at $600, sometimes more, depending on the model you got, you don't want to break this thing, because I'm sure it costs a lot to fix it. But that is the end of this unboxing. Please let me know what you think. And guys, go ahead and get you one.